What if the ground beneath our feet held a hidden terror? Beneath the Arctic tundra, ancient frozen methane lays dormant. As climate change accelerates, these methane deposits are destabilizing, posing an alarming risk. When released, these potent greenhouse gases could escalate global warming dramatically, with devastating effects on weather patterns and ecosystems. The potential for catastrophic methane burps could spell disaster for many coastal cities. If humanity doesn't heed the warnings and act swiftly, the consequences may be beyond our control. Are we prepared for the silent threat lurking just beneath the surface?